Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Avery McLeod and McCarthy experiment. So after the Griffith experiment, it was proved that any molecule transfer from the smooth strain bacteria to rough strain bacteria and convert the rough strain bacteria into smooth strain bacteria. But Griffith did not tell about the what molecule is genetic material. So to confirm the genetic material molecules, which molecule is genetic material, the Avery, McLeod and McCarthy did an experiment to find the genetic material in 1944. So what they did, they took the smooth strain bacteria which is virulent and cause the disease. After that, they extract the main molecules from this smooth strain bacteria. The main molecules are protein, RNA and DNA. Confusion between these molecules is what molecule is a genetic material, protein, RNA or DNA. So for confirming that, they inject these molecules step by step into rough strain bacteria and observed that where the transformation processes occur. So first they took protein and inject into the rough strain bacteria and observed that no transformation processes occur. Means protein is not responsible for the transformation process. So it is proved that protein was not genetic material. After this, when they inject the RNA into the rough strain bacteria, same thing happened again, that is no transformation process was occur. Means RNA also do not responsible for the transformation process. Injecting the protein and RNA respectively into the rough strain bacteria and transformation process do not occur. That means the protein and RNA was not a genetic material. When the DNA inject into the rough strain bacteria and they observed that the transformation process was occur. Means DNA after injecting the DNA into the rough strain bacteria, the rough strain bacteria convert into the smooth strain that is virulent. After injecting the DNA, the non-virulent rough strain bacteria convert into the smooth strain bacteria. That means the DNA was the genetic material, not protein and RNA. Okay, so on the basis of this, it is proved that the DNA was the genetic material. For further confirmation, they used the three different types of enzymes: protease, RNase, DNase, which degrade the protein, RNA and DNA respectively. Protease enzyme degrade the protein, RNase enzyme degrade the RNA and the DNase enzyme degrade the DNA. So first, when they inject the protein, RNA, DNA with adding the protease into the rough strain bacteria, and they observed that the protease degraded the protein, only RNA and DNA was left, and observed that transformation process is occur. Means there is no role of protein in the transformation process. Means protein was not a genetic material. It is after that when they inject protein, RNA and DNA into the rough strain bacteria while adding the RNase enzymes. So RNA enzymes killed the RNA and their only protein and DNA was left, and again they observed that the transformation process was occur. Means in the presence of protein and DNA transformation process occur. That is, there is a no role of RNA also in the transformation process and no role of a protein also in the transformation process. Means RNA and protein was not genetic material. After only DNA was left, when they add the DNAs which degrade the DNA and only protein and RNA left. So in the presence of protein and RNA into the rough strain bacteria, the transformation process did not occur. Means DNA was a single molecule that is the responsible for the transformation process. That is, in the presence of protein and RNA, the transformation process did not occur. So it means there is only the single molecule, that is the DNA, is responsible for this all transformation process. Means it is further confirmed that the DNA was the genetic material, not RNA and protein. So hope you all understand this experiment. Thank you very much.